Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're just going to call this hump day record day today with Amazon, Apple, and NASDAQ all hitting record highs. And in fact, we're looking at the NASDAQ right now, currently trading about 8,097.62, up almost 0.9% on the day. Briefly traded above 8,100 today at 8,101.44, making that a new intraday high. Be interesting to see if the NASDAQ can finish at an all-time high, which it's done the last 3 days in a row where it closed at record highs. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as we move into the close. Currently, chart analysis scores plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, and our key level to watch remains 7,732.69. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we'll back out of our portfolio here in NASDAQ, and we'll just take a look at the S&P 500. Currently trading at 2,914.93, hitting a new record high as well, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that long term everything is a go for the S&P 500 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch remains 2,802.49. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones currently at 26,159.60 with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall that long-term trend is in place for the Dow. Looking for it to meet the other two indexes and get it to a record high. We'll have to see if that push higher continues in through maybe by the end of this month or into the early parts of September as the summer trading season comes to an end and a lot more traders come back into the markets. That'll be interesting to watch. Dollar index, we got that red weekly trade triangle that we were giving you at 94.81 as it continued its downward trend with a chart analysis score -70, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up with a green monthly trade triangle, but on the intermediate term and short-term time frame, the trend is down for the US dollar. Key level to watch will be 96.86. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Crude oil continuing to make gains, trying to test that $71 level that we talked about last week. Currently trading at 69.32 with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. And your key level to watch should be 68.21. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And take a look at gold, issuing a new red daily trade triangle today at 1,209.30. Currently trading off that level a little bit at 1,211.50, but the chart analysis score is -70 with red trade triangles across the board indicating that we are in a short position for gold. Key level to watch will be 1,220.70. Would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. We'll go ahead back out of here. We'll take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Currently down a little over 1% on the day. Hit the base right down here when traded below 6,000, continually steadily moving higher. Almost got to our level that we were looking for, hitting a high yesterday of 7,126.77, but backing off of that a bit today. So our key level remains 7,161.99. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. And as I talked about, Apple and Amazon have hit all new highs today, and even Alphabet's up strong today, up over 1.5%, which is helping push the NASDAQ higher. And as you can see, currently trading at 1,264.85 with a chart analysis score plus 100, making it one of the bigger stock moves on the day. And we'll also take a look at Apple right here, making all-time highs, currently trading at 222.18 with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that long-term the trend is up and strong for Apple. In fact, the key level to watch will be 207.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for Apple. And then to wrap it up, we'll take a look at Amazon hitting all-time highs as well, currently trading at $1,981.34, creeping in on that majestic $2,000 a share level, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall a long-term trend is up for Amazon. And a key level to watch, keep your eye on, be 1,855.55. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sideline position for Amazon. With that, every success, have a great trading day, and I'll be back at the end of the week to wrap up the trading week.